down essay on Hobson. So first of all, let's introduction about the Salman Rushdie. Introduction of Salman Rushdie. Ahmed Salman Rushdie was the full name of Salman Rushdie. Was born on June 19, 1947 in Bombay. He is Kashmiri Indian. Rushdie's genre is magic realism, satire and post-colonialism. He is famous for his essay and novels. His works are Rushdie's novel The Midnight Children's Dream won the Man Booker Prize, and other satanic works, the Horror and the Sea stories, Joseph and Tom Memory, and other three, all are the work of by Salman Rushdie. Origin of the word Hobson. So after hearing this word, suddenly one idea will come in our mind that what is the meaning of Hobson. So the Hobson is the short title of Hobson, a glossary of a colloquialism, Anglo-Indian word and phrase, and a kindred term, etymological, historical, geographical, and discursive. A historical dictionary of Anglo-Indian word, a term from Indian language which came into use during the British rule in India. So the Hobson word is coined from the British rule in India. It is an Anglo-Indian dictionary. Hobson is an Anglo-Indian dictionary, and in this dictionary the words are included after ruling the British people into the India. Now, author of Hobson, Henry Yule, he was the retired Bengali engineer, and Arthur Coke Burnell, English scholar in Sanskrit. They both have written this Hobson dictionary. About the essay, it was first published in 1886. The subsequent edition was edited by William Crook in 1903 with extra quotation and index. The dictionary has over 2,000 words. Hobson is a historical title. So there is a word, an Anglo-Indian English, the term Hobson refers to any festival or entertainment, but especially ceremonies of the morning of Muharram, Yasin. It is the cried by Shia Muslim. So Yasin and Yasin, such a word are spoken by Shia Muslim during the Muharram festival, because they were hitting themselves on their chest, and they were crying by speaking such a word, Ya Hussein. It is converted that the word Ya Hussein and Ya Hussein, such a word were converted into Hobson, Gosen, Hosi, Gosin, Hossein, Josen, and ultimately Hobson. So such a word were converted in this way. It is cried by Shia Muslims. So it is nothing but cried by Shia Muslims. Content of the essay. The essay Hobson tells us how dictionary with Indian word for colonizer use came into the existence. He gives many examples, the way English and Indian language word mingled with each other. So we can see that India is a colorful country. In India, many languages are provided, like Hindi, English, all the languages. So all languages are combined, and in English and Indian languages are mixed together, and it becomes a difficult language. Now, such a words we can see that the Pandits, Jhabrat, barbarians, Lut, Mughals, Raj. These all words are Hindi words, but Indian words, but it is also converted in English also. Like Pandits is Jhabrat, barbarians is Lut, Mughals is Palki, smoking, chariot, Todi, Shabbat, Varanda, Gamkhana. Such a words were included into the Indian dictionaries. List of English words in Hindi or Urdu. So let's see a video about the Indian words. How India has a different languages.
Time now for a little question. What is the national language of India? Okay, so frankly, how many of you just replied Hindi? Well, I have a little news for you. Hindi is not, I repeat, Hindi is not the national language of India. In fact, the Constitution of India specifies no national language. Let's dig a bit deeper to understand better. The huge nation of India, with its hugely diverse population, has more than 1,600 spoken languages. But of this, only 22 languages have been given the status of official language. But more on that later. Now for the great folks framing the Indian Constitution, language became a challenge. They looked around and saw that those from the UK and the US spoke English, those from France spoke French, in Germany, German and so on. But there were great.
So in this video you can see that different country people are speaking different languages, but the meaning are the same. So we can see that the English language is derived from some of the words are derived from the Indian word also, like Bengal from Bangli, Bangla from Bangla, Chit from Chitti, and other words are brother comes from Bhratra, mother comes from Matra. Such words were taken into the Indian word also. In Hobson Jobson we found Mughal becomes Mughals, Palki becomes Palkis, such a word. The hodgepodge culture. So we can see that the Hobson Jobson shows the hodgepodge culture into the India. Rusty compares migration to translate, for example, Muslim in India, in Indian Pakistan, and a brown man in Britain. So the writer criticized the colonial mindset of the British. So it is the totally criticized the colonial mindset of the British, that how they were thinking about India and how India thinking about the Britishers. So it is called the hodgepodge culture into Hobson Jobson. Mixed word. In this essay, Rusty also talks about Marathi, Hindi, Gujarati, and Sanskrit based in English words. Like Kesh, Sanskrit word touch, weight, Tula, shampoo, Hindi word champan. In Hindi we can see that do champi into hand. So such words were derived from Sanskrit word also. In the essay Hobson Jobson, some other words also found, like Mekchin means Mahachin, Great China. Mahachin, Great China. Cheese, such a word. Some destroyed words also. Snow-rupee, authority. Gogol, madman, pagal. Dam, coin of smallest value. Dam, not dam but dam. British India has absorbed some Indian words like jadugars, sorcerers, kukro, look out, samjhao, to make understand. In other words, samjhao means to beat someone. Sometimes we say that isko samjha ke rakho. Means if he will not change, they will beat him. So there are dual words also, beating. Use of the English word, I was buying chutney in the bazaar when a thug who had escaped from the chowki ran among, killed a boxwala for his loot, creating a halla ball and landing himself into Mullingar town. So chutney, chowki, thug, boxwala, such words were taken from Indian words, but they were spoken into English also. So it is a Hobson Jobson that all things were included into the Hindi and English and Gujarati. All languages are together into this Hobson Jobson dictionary. So conclusion, we can see that Baroda becomes Vadodara, Shyamla becomes Shimla, Bharuch becomes Bharuch, Kolkata becomes Kolkata. So such a things were converted with each other. So the essay we will found destruction and formation of different languages. So it is the Hobson Jobson that an Anglo-Indian dictionary which has included all the languages differently. Thank you.